This is 71 Annis Road in Hermon. Really nice spot right off the Annis Road, which is just up the street, maybe a quarter mile to Route 2. It does have this sort of little oversized one-car garage. It does have an auto door opener. It is older. The mobile home, much newer. It's a double wide. It's really big inside. It's kind of crazy. It's a lot bigger than the typical, and it has a really nice lot. You can see what I mean about the older. The roof is older. Siding is kind of older, but it does give a place to put lawn tractor, lawnmower, snowblower, storage, put a vehicle, maybe do some hobbies if somebody wanted. Again, the prior tenant was here for several years. They put in some raised beds so somebody could use those if they wanted to. Has a nice back deck, and the owner did add a heat pump to it. Does have keypad entry too, which is kind of nice. As you come in, it is fully appliance, so it actually comes with a washer dryer. That's definitely neat. Try to put this on wide angle. There we go. Appliances have been updated different years, but stove is almost brand new. Actually, really big kitchen. A lot of times these, again, they tend to be smaller than this one. This was a bigger model, but they have just like one side of cabinet or a small one. This one's got this whole side and then over here, and it's got a door that they're replacing, but a lot of cabinet space and countertop. It's kind of crazy. They went through and they did a bunch of work. Carpet's all gone. They did a nice laminate throughout, wood look laminate. They did do a repair here in the kitchen. I don't know if you can see, they had to repair a couple of tiles, but it's in really good shape overall. This has a sliding door to that back deck, really oversized. Really nice that way. Plenty of room for dining table, and then really big living room. Big enough to have like a hutch or a big TV stand and a sectional couch, which you often can't fit in homes like this. And then they added the heat pump, so it gives a second heat source as well as air conditioning in the summer, which is really nice. And it's set up kind of nice design because you've got 2 bedrooms on that end with a full bath, and then the master bedroom and bath on this end. And master's really big. It's got the vaulted ceiling, and then it's got a really big master bath. It has the soaking tub along with the shower. I will say the owner did say that the soaking tub, the hot water heater, is not big enough to completely fill the tub, so that is something to be aware of. It will do a regular tub, but this big tub, I guess, is a problem, so it's something somebody to be aware of. And separate shower is really nice though, and a lot of storage with the built-ins they added over there. Has a timer for the fan. Of course, having the cathedral ceiling throughout is a really nice feature. It makes it feel bigger too. And then it's got 2 bedrooms on either side. A lot of times these double wide homes have small closets, but these are really big. Notice here, it is a full another walk-in, which is kind of crazy. Has a nice built-in shelf there. One over there too. Second bedroom, and then this is a 3rd bedroom. So again, good size walk-in closet. And a second full bath, which is really nice to have a second bathroom when there's multiple people anyways. So, and then of course it has a furnace, hot air furnace, does the whole thing. And that kind of completes 71 Annis Road. It's a little bit more of an affordable option in Hermon. Pretty sought after community. It is very spacious. Typically homes to this price point be a 1/3 smaller than this. So it is really nice. Have so much space. So if you're interested, let us know. Visit our rentbangor.com.